Hey guys, it's Jonathan coming at you with a Trainer Tip Tuesday video. Today we're going to be utilizing the plyo boxes in the weight room. And when we're talking about the plyo boxes, we're going to be demonstrating with 3 exercises such as box squats, box jumps, and then step ups. First up, box squats. We're going to make sure we're an adequate distance away from the box. You don't want to be right up on it, and you don't want to be too far away where you're not even touching it. You want to be probably about a good ½ foot away from the box with your heels facing the box. And then with box jumps, you want to be anywhere between 3 to 5 inches away from the box. That way your toes don't catch on the edge of the box and you flip over, or you're struggling to reach the distance to get on top of the box. And then step ups, you can choose any distance for this. You can be right up on the box, or you can be a good distance away to make it a little more difficult for yourself. And then next up is when you're jumping, squatting, or stepping up, making sure you get both feet all the way up on the box, not halfway hanging off or barely hanging on. And then when you step down, you want to step down nice and soft. Don't jump down or be aggressive with it. That way we can protect our ankles and our knees from any damage. And then also make sure you have a clear area around the boxes in case something goes wrong, the box flips or you fall over, you don't hit anything and damage any equipment or hurt yourself. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any more questions, you can email fitness@shsu.edu or visit our website for more information.